Good morning, guys. I'm going to find my filter because, she loves her little filter, honey. So this morning, I'll be taking my TLC products here live. Let me push up, scoot you guys back. I love that. I'm going to be doing my TLC this morning. I haven't done so in a very long time, on camera, like months. So I have these free teas. I have the raspberry. Good morning, Kasha. Good morning, Jessie. Good morning, Fairy. Yeah, so I do raspberry, lemon, and I do the original. Now for the original, I do 2 originals. 1 lemon, 1 raspberry. Do you need so much teas? No, you don't. But at the start, at the beginning of my favorite one is the lemon with the original, because I find like the original, it really makes you go first, and then the lemon makes you go second, and then the raspberry makes you go last. To go by poop. I followed your TikTok smile. Aw, yeah. Hey, Jeru. Good morning, everybody. I'm going to be doing my TLC on camera. I haven't done this in a very long time. I had stopped taking it probably for a week or so. Sometimes I give it a break. I don't usually take it every single day how I used to, because I'm not eating how I used to. So that's 2 original. I thought of that less than a moment ago. Oh, thank you. You should click the link in my bio and join my team, because both Kate and I, that's my sponsor, will be revamping. So this is the lemon that I'm going to pour in, and this is the raspberry. The raspberry is just for like the flavor for me anyway, because I don't feel the raspberry works unless I do like 3 or 4. So you just shake it up. That's all you do, shake it up. That's all. It's an instant. You can have it warm, cold, lukewarm. It doesn't even matter the temperature. So I have that sit for a bit. Then how does it taste? I taste mostly the lemon. The lemon is a very strong taste, well, for me anyway. So I taste mostly the lemon and the raspberry a little bit, but mostly the lemon. Hi, Sonig. So I'm going to be doing my NutriBurst multivitamin equivalent of 10 salads. It's the nutritional equivalent of 10 salads. You guys remember when we pulled the NutriBurst, if you're on that live? I'm a red lipstick from Jazzy. Baptiste Beauty, sorry. It's still on the bottle, so that's one done. I'm going to do my energy. There's my energy. I left my energy. So I haven't started working out as yet. So I'm kind of saving my energy for when I'm working out. But this is the energy that it takes. It's a fat burner. Oh yeah, my incense. I have my incense here. See it? Yeah. And I have one more up there. So that's where the smoke is coming from. Alright, so I'm going to be doing my NutriBurst. Cheers. Then I'm going to be doing my vitamin B12, the live drops, and my resolution drops. The resolution drops is an appetite suppressant. I don't recommend this if you are pregnant and nursing. If you're exclusively breastfeeding, I don't recommend this because it will decrease the appetite. And yeah, I don't know if you'll be able to produce enough milk if your appetite is decreased. So if you're exclusively breastfeeding, I don't recommend. But if you're not exclusively breastfeeding, I highly recommend resolution drops. These 2 together are called the Life Duo Pack. Amazing if you want to drop serious weight. These 2 together. This is liquid vitamin B12. What is the smoke for? It's my incense. I just showed you guys my incense. My incense is right there. I just showed you guys my incense. I don't know what else to say. So yeah, these 2 together. So the live drops, they're normally the straw or whatever you call it, they normally have like some lines on them. Some of them come with the lines, some of them don't come with the lines. So I just like squeeze 2 times and then drop under my tongue for the resolution drops and the live drops. Can you take the ISOT while nursing? Not nursing exclusively, because it will make you go. You are flushing toxins out of your system. In my reading, I don't come across any adverse reactions, or I haven't heard of anybody say anything in terms of that. But I would say if you're exclusively breastfeeding, then no. I just don't want to put no false info out there. So in my readings, nothing has come up. But if you're exclusively breastfeeding, then no. So you hold it on your tongue for 15 seconds. I doubt that was 15 seconds. But yeah. So I'm talking about TLC now, which is good. Click the link in my bio if you want to purchase. Let me see if I have any questions. Okay, thank you about the life drops. Can you take while nursing? Well, the life drops is liquid vitamin B12, and liquid vitamin B12 is a vitamin that's most deficient in our body. So even, I don't know if this is even vegan safe, but for those who do veganism, the videos that I watch, they said that that's the vitamin that I have to keep up with. I think, is it veganism? I think so. So in my opinion, but I'm not a professional or like a doctor, but life drops are good. So yeah. Oh, the taste of the life drops is really weird. The resolution drops really have a taste. It has like an after thing, like it kind of tastes like rum a little bit, kind of tastes kind of a little bit alcoholic. That's my experience. It tastes a little bit alcoholic. So yeah. Is it vegan safe? I don't know if it's vegan safe. I'm not a vegan. I've never looked into whether or not it's vegan safe. I've never looked into. I mean, the inactive ingredients are deionized water, vegetable glycerin, natural flavors, potassium sorbate, and stevia. So I'm not quite sure, because it says natural flavors. I'm not quite sure, baby. Absorption. Thank you, Michelle. I'm looking for more questions to answer. I need some in Australia. Yeah, if you click the link in my bio, then you can purchase from wherever you are in the world. So you can definitely get it in Australia. I don't know what your customs things is like in Australia, but in Jamaica you have to pay like a shit ton for customs. There's a company that I use that I can tag underneath this video. So yeah. Yes. Okay, so everything I'm taking is for weight loss. So all my products are like weight loss products. So that's why I live on the T, life drops, resolution drops, NutriBurst, and the energy. I have the Latin coffee as well. I'm not a fan of the Latin coffee, but I got because they're all weight loss coffees, the Latin and the Delgada. But I love the taste of the Delgada truck. Big ass truck. Yeah, I love the taste of the Delgada. Tastes like coffee. The Latin tastes like some Starbucks mixture type coffee, like that coffee. It has is it caramel? It has that like flavor, that taste. Do you have locally? I don't have locally, but I do purchase from someone locally. My sponsor has locally, but she only has the original tea and the NutriBurst. There is 2 people that I buy from locally. So again, when this video goes live and I save it, I'm going to put their info in the description part so you guys can see it. What else? Thank you about the wig. Thank you. The boys are okay. The boys are by their dad. So yeah, they're okay. how long should they be taken? For until I get your results. People think that when they start on products, you have to use it for the rest of your lives, and that just depends on your goal. If you have not yet gotten to your goal, then you take them until I get to your goal. If you've gotten to the goal, I'll just say just focus on maintenance. Instead of taking the tea like every day, you can go every other day, every 3 days. Or if you have a male honey, or if it's that time of the month, I would say take them normal like every day, because that time of the month ain't no joke. There's a lot of water retention. So yeah, like that's no joke. So I would say to take it every other day, every like probably 2-3 times a week if you've gotten to your goal weight and you're just now focused on maintenance. Thank you, top gal. Thank you, Marjorie. Oh, wow, thank you. Thanks. And any more questions? How long does the drops last? They're supposed to last for a month. Mine have been lasting me 2 months, and that's only because I have not been taking it a lot. But you see how far? If I was taking it every single day, I'd be out of these in 2 weeks if I take them every day, because it's supposed to take the live drops and resolution drops 3 times a day for both. So I usually do it 50 minutes before you eat. So I usually take mine before, like 15 minutes before I eat. So what I usually do, wake up in the mornings, NutriBurst. Before I eat, drink my tea. Then 50 minutes after, then I take the live. Half an hour after drink the tea, you eat. So after drink the tea, then I'll go into the live drops and resolution drops, half an hour later, then I wait 15 minutes and then I eat. Or do this first, wait 15 minutes, drink this, wait half an hour and then eat. So because there's a waiting period when I do the tea and the live drops, and those are the ones that I take mostly. So those are the ones that I have I know about. No questions, just love you. Thank you. Work thing after this. Okay, so you can probably I see a WhatsApp coming from me, so maybe that's it. I was drinking the tea and NutriBurst. Yeah, so everything, the teas, like 1 pack of tea should last you a month. I don't know who that's gonna last a month, because it's only 25 coming there, and I'm doing it probably 2-3 times a day. So within like a week, I'm out. So that's why I've refocused on how I'm taking them. Plus, I have not worked out in probably 2 months, and I've still lost. Went up to 160, 163, and I went down to 156 in a week. I'm now 157, and that was like a week again last week. So if I was taking them how supposed to, working out, all that good stuff, my weight loss would be way more dramatic. Canada, I'm not yet. Yeah, Sunny, thanks. Not yet, baby, because Canada's a different visa, So, hi, Baba _ming. Thank you, Erica. Okay, any more questions? What's not showing? If you click the link in my bio, my TLC link, then you can purchase what products you want. If you're using your phone or like a handheld device, when you click the link, look for the drop down menu, and then you can go to kits and packs, you can go to wellness, and you can go to coffee. So there's a drop down menu you can search what you want from. Good morning. I'm talking about TLC this morning. Why do you put it under your tongue? Because when I was reading, when it goes under your tongue, anything put under your tongue goes into the body quicker. So your body takes it in quicker, it absorbs it in quicker. And the instructions are to put it under your tongue. So you put the drops under your tongue to fill up the thing, but I do it twice to fill up the little straw thing in there, and then I wait 15 to 30 seconds, and then you swallow, and then you eat after. How long do you start seeing results? Like within a couple of days, especially with the tea and the NutriBurst, because what I find is that even if I drink the tea last thing at night and I wake up and I take my NutriBurst, oh honey, I'm gonna go. If I wake up and I do my live drops, resolution drops, I'm gonna go. Whatever goes into your body is gonna come right back out. So, yeah. When you're coming back to the store, which store? No, I don't sell. Yeah, I sell the HSN on my website, but not like here you go in person. But I have them. This is on my website from TLC. I'm putting guys website. Yeah, it's on my website. My TLC website. That's linked in my bio. The benefits of the energy is energy, mental clarity and focus, and it's also a fat burner. It's a natural fat burner, so that's why I'm saving it for when I start working out, because I'm going to increase my chances of fat loss. You have fat loss and you have weight loss. You also have muscle loss, and you have, yeah, I said fat loss, weight loss, muscle loss. I've lost a lot of muscle. My butt's sagging, my thighs are as toned. I have more cellulite on my body, and that's only because I have not been working out. So when you work out while taking TLC, it's for your benefit as well. Like it works better. It works better. So that's the benefit of the NRG. You take one NRG pill per day. It also helps with sleep as well. So if you have a job where you need a little bit more energy, I would say just carry energy with it to work. Take one and then you're good to go. The effects of the energy starts working 45 minutes after you take it. So give it 45 minutes, because after taking the energy already, then I've fallen asleep. That more so I'm taking it, I'm gonna lie down, poof, I'm out. So it works 45 minutes after you've taken it. That's what the package says. So yeah, thank you. About the hair again, it's sell in store or pharmacy, no, but if you want to purchase hair in Jamaica, there is 2 people that I purchased from. My sponsor has as well, but I don't think she has like everything. I'm gonna have to confirm with her if she has everything or not. If she has everything, then I'll put her link, but if not, I'll put her info. I'll put 3 info: my sponsor's info, and the other 2 that I purchased from for TLC. So yeah, Auntie Brown, oh my gosh, I don't remember, I'm sorry. Thank you, Thick. Thank you, Thick _wealthy_field. Thank you so much, Stacy Chosen Grants. Thank you for following. All right, what else? Any more questions? All right, everything dissolved. So I'm going to be drinking my 40s right now. What time now? 8:16. I haven't had anything to eat from morning, but last night I did have, what did I eat? Chinese and pizza. So I'm just going to be drinking my tea. And this, I'm going to be pooping today. My butt's going to be hurting, but ain't no wrong with it. You have to breathe through your nose. You guys see that TikTok? If you see that TikTok, I know exactly what I'm talking about. You have to breathe through your nose if you're going to be swallowing like that. I mean, baby, I'm not saying like I'm a professional drinker or like a professional swallower. But I'm just saying, like, you got to breathe through your nose, It's a little bit sweet, but I'm tasting more of the lemon. It's just a little tiny bit sweet. It's not. It's more refreshing. That's it. It's like a nice glass of lemonade. It's really refreshing. Excuse me, especially if you have it like cold. Oh yeah. Is that the TLC IST? Yes, it's the IST from TLC. The detox tea. It's instant. You just fill your cup or bottle up with water, pour it in, shake it, and then you drink. So you can carry with you anywhere. You can just buy a bottle of water on the roadside, throw it in, shake it up, drink it. Yeah, I'm not consistent either, Lisa. I'm not consistent either, but I try to just get like everything on track. So on the days where I know I'm not doing my tea, I try not to eat as much. But lately, I have not been eating a lot at all. Like a little bit of food full up my belly. So I haven't been eating at all. So sometimes when I used to take it like often, how I usually take it, so I'll go a whole day and not poop, and that's because it's like I'm hardly eating, What else? Oh, yes, you're saying no. What did I say? Oh, thank you. Okay, any more questions? Read TLC, let me know, because I'm about to sign off. That's why I'm never to the energy. Come and know some more sleep. You guys see the smoke still? It's finishing now. It done now. It's my incense that I was burning. I bought them at Earth Elements. They're really cheap too, like $200 something for like this pack I start use already, but like it's a full pack. And this one I start use already is a full pack. You guys probably can't see properly. But a full pack, and this one I start use already. So yeah, I like how it smells. I like how it smells. This one is in baby powder, smell good. Black woman smell good. They have lemongrass, and they also have one for mosquito as well. And frankincense and myrrh smells really good as well. But I love black woman and baby powder and vanilla. Black woman, baby powder, and vanilla. Yeah. And it's just like to make your home smell good, you know. Other people use them for other things. Now, like, you know, there's a sage to cleanse. And I see some people like, I don't know, man, but I just use this for the scent. I feel like I'm going into a whole another like religion type thing, but I just use it for the scent. So, yeah. Right, that's sage is what they use. Alright, guys, I'm good. My energy level is like hella low because I'm like kind of still tired. Wake up from after 6, so I'm like low-key tired. I've been wanting to go back, like to do some jogs like around the place, but I don't want my butt to sag anymore, so I need weights. And it's just with the lockdown, it's so frustrating to pay a trainer and then to have to cram my life because Jonathan starts school now. So I have to like figure out how I'm going to do this gym, Jonathan school, and just like work. So like everything that I have to do will have to start after Jonathan school ends. You know what I mean? So it's a lot to like I have to refigure. I hope this lockdown thing does not continue when school has like started because we start next week Monday, because that's when they mess up a lot of people's businesses, especially for us as entrepreneurs. We have a little bit more leeway, but boy, those 2 lockdown days, bro, where we could be making money, we can't. And it's the same for everybody else, you know what I mean? But I just hope he doesn't do this again, especially with school starting. Like, we need to get stuff. Can you imagine that mad rush during school, forget like snacks and them something there? What's the 1 to 10 line in a supermarket? No, I'm bringing my full trolley. Miss the stand that I have to come down. The 1 to 10 thing then now go work, babes. What? No. You can have one for like 1 to 10, but to have like 2, 3 cash out areas specifically for 1 to 10, that's crazy. Demolishing on Insta for weights. Oh no, I have a trainer. I have a personal trainer. That's why it's difficult for me to figure it out, because I have to be paying. And like, how many days am I going to be paying for? Like, no. Like, when I work with my trainer, as long as he's there. And if I'm missing 2 days, that means I have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, only 5 days to train. So I don't know. I may have to do like cardio Monday, Tuesday, and then body weights, and then like for the rest of the days is like straight weightlifting. So it's something I have to sit and talk to Dennis about. That's my trainer. What type of business do you do? So I sell TLC. I do makeup. I am an influencer for a couple brands. And some of the brands I'm an influencer for, I have to go in to get a service done. Like, I'm a brand influencer. I'm a we call it like an ambassador for Cat Layer. They're the ones that does my body contouring, and I'll be posting. I have videos, so I'm gonna be posting the videos on my TikTok as well as here on my Instagram. So yeah, I have that. So that's mostly the thing that takes me out when I have to go out for meetings, when I have to go out for servicing, when I have to go out to do my regular life stuff. I need to go get stuff. You know what I mean? So it's just the readjusting that's really annoying me, to be honest. Look at this smell. And it smells just like baby powder. Oh, and even for Naru, like, I have to go out to get my service done from Naru because she works from like a location. So I have to, like, these services, I have to go out. I should have been meet with Fetish from last week, and it's just the time's not syncing, and I'm just like, oh shit, you know, like, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but there are lots of things pending as well. So doing makeup is a business. Yeah, I'm a makeup artist as well. Did I say that? Yeah, I am. Good morning, Caribbean Finest. I'm going to be going shortly though. Like, you reach right on the edge. I don't know what else to say. So I'm going to edit those videos that I did with Cat Layer and post for you guys. I think it's electrotherapy, and I also did a yoni steam. I've never done a yoni steam before. And let me tell you right now, baby, this shit's hot. It's hot. I'm like standing up like, she's gonna burn me off. It's my lips. Girl, I probably shouldn't have shaved. This is what I probably shouldn't have done. Is it okay? Girl, it's kind of warm. But it's when my done blood cleanse, it's my front just feel brand new. Like, okay, I'm alive. Huh? The streets are calling. I can answer. I'm fresh. Like, she feel brand new. Like, she just born. It's such a refreshing feeling. Like when it just done bid, I just lie down naked, if you like that. Just done bid, just lie down naked. So I just up north with the fan on and say, yes, Father God. I'm clean. You know, did I want me? Say for my beard, I may do it. Did I God me do it? Not a bad decision. Like, that's how it feels. It feels so good. I'm like, yo, how many times can I get this done? They're like, twice a month. I'm like, God damn. So it's twice a month for the Yonis team from Cattleya. It's $6,000 per session, so that's $12,000 if you're gonna do it like per month. It helps with fertility. It helps with It don't tighten up your front, because you're not tighten up your front, but it helps with fertility. Of course, cleaning. The vagina cleans itself naturally, but it also helps with cleaning as well. And you just feel so fresh. I don't know what it is. And I've been using this this yoni wash from Stash Beauty. Game. Hi Daniel, I love you. Oh, I'm always see your comments. I love you, Daniel. That's Army Angel 24. Love Daniel. That wash from Stash. Ooh, baby. It's so good. It's so good. And the thing is, like, I'm like, I take care of every other area of my body. Yeah. Oh, and Cattleya does like anal bleaching as well. I'm just my mess up. But she want to no more. She get a little lighter around the foot, so and so. Almost only talk about the yoni. When I can't talk about the booty, I can talk about the booty. Man, do my booty. So yes, I'm going to be doing the anal bleaching from Cattleya. So they're the ones that take care of like my body, if that makes sense. And then Naru, she's the one that helps with my skin, if that makes sense. Yeah, I hope that makes sense. Like, being an influencer is really different from like everybody's everyday life, because it goes to, yeah, can I get it free? Yeah, can I get it free? And I understand that. So I'm here to tell you about the service. Think of it as a review. So I'm going to tell you about the service. If you want to get it done, you can. If you don't want to, that's fine. Ain't nobody forcing you, boo-boo. Ain't nobody. And the Yonis team helps with bacterial infection as well. I took a picture of the packaging, so I'm going to post that so you guys can read. But it's 10 out of 10. I highly recommend. Highly, like, when I'm done, we don't want to put on some new clothes. I just do want to put on clothes and just go bed. Like, it just felt so good. So I hands down recommend the Yonis team from Cattleya. And I can only talk about Cattleya because they're the ones that I do my service with. Please save this live. Oh yes, baby, I'm going to save the live. Don't worry. I'm trying to fix my hair so I look cute, like bedhead, like, hey babe, good morning. No, I'm just how I wake up. What you mean? Mind you, before the live, I wash my face, put on my mask, put on my hair a little bit, slick it down. So if I have a little, I woke up, lady. If I have a little look there, and I did my wig myself using my the glue from Goldilocks. It's so easy to use. And then because I don't know much about wigs, like I'm not a royal hair legacy. Like, I'm not like an ego Tony. I'm not like a petite Sue Divinity, man. I'm just lyric who used to do these things, haven't done for years, and I lost all my mojo. So yeah. The wig is fire. It is absolute fire. I love it too. It's fire. I should have brought it down more. Kind of tip down, aim for it big, you know. I should have brought it down more, but if I did, then wouldn't have. I probably just would have left for my eyebrow for draw. So I just didn't. But yes, so I'm gonna go now. I've been saying that for a while, so I'm going to go. Click the link in my bio for TLC. I'll be posting Cat Layer, Stash, and the other two that I get buy TLC products from, and I'll be posting my sponsor as well. So yeah. So I'm going to go, you guys. Bye bye. I need to edit that video. Excuse me, I need to edit that video. I took all my stuff and I'm sleepy, and I'm allowing myself to be sleepy because I need to rest. But yeah, so I'm gonna be going. Bye bye, you guys. Have a wonderful day. Ray's Golden has amazing skincare products. I am completely in love with the wash and the moisturizer. I got the wash, the tone, and the moisturizer, and I feel like all three were working, but my fave is the wash and the moisturizer. Creme de la creme, absolutely good. So I'm going to go the Yoni gel, the Yoni wash from Stash Beauty. So I'm going to tag her. I'm going to save the live and I'm going to tag her so you can come back to my page and then look for this live. So I'm going to tag her. She has, and it's pink, and pink is like my favorite color. And I was like, this wash is the business. Like, yes, ma'am. You know what I mean? It's so weird talking about vaginas because I really want to get down and dirty. No pun intended. But it's for a different platform. But yeah. I do prefer lyric with less jewelry and black hair. Oh, girl, nah. This is because I had to go to sleep, honey. Like, I'm always going to be decked out. Like, nah. Yeah, I got a week from my company. I think I got it right before I left for Florida. I can't remember the name of the company. But, yeah, I'll be going live and putting, it's a fresh wig. It hasn't been cut, colored, nothing. And I'm going to be putting it on myself. I don't know how it's going to look, but I'm going to be putting it on myself. So, and I want to go live and do that because that shit's going to be funny because I don't know what I'm doing. Like, what I do is probably very, very ghetto, and I'm not going to see. What am I going to do? Thank you, Plus Mode, thanks, Plus. Can't pronounce. Thank you. The smoke is coming from my incense. Oh my gosh, people are worried. Incense. This is baby powder incense. Those who are rewatching the live are like, incense, should you say it already? But this is the incense, and it's baby powder. Love. I have to go. I have stuff I have to do. I can't say, but I legit just have to go. And I'm tired too, so I'm going to edit the videos and then probably lie down. But yeah. So bye-bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you. I feel so shy. I don't know why I feel shy. But I'll talk to you guys probably throughout the day. I'll definitely be on TikTok. So look out. If you're not following me on TikTok, please do. Lyric Rochester on TikTok. So yeah, I'm up to 15,000. I want to do a really cool video when I get to 200,000 views, because I'm at 180 something now views. So yeah, bye guys.